Replacing windows in your Tampa home is a significant investment that can enhance your property's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and security. However, many homeowners make costly mistakes during the process. To ensure you get the best results, here are the top 5 mistakes to avoid when replacing windows in Tampa. Choosing the wrong type of windows. Tampa's unique climate, hot summers, high humidity, and the potential for hurricanes, demands windows that are built to withstand these conditions. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that aren't suited for the local environment. What to do instead? Opt for impact-resistant or hurricane-rated windows to protect your home from extreme weather conditions. Look for windows with a low U factor and a high solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) rating to maximize energy efficiency in Tampa's warm climate. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. Windows play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature and reducing energy costs. Many homeowners opt for cheaper windows that lack proper insulation, leading to higher electricity bills. What to do instead? Invest in Energy Star-rated windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features help keep heat out during the summer and maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Hiring an unqualified contractor. A window replacement project is only as good as the contractor installing them. Choosing an inexperienced or unlicensed installer can lead to improper installation, drafts, and even structural damage. What to do instead? Research window installation companies thoroughly. Check for proper licensing, insurance, and positive customer reviews. Ask for references and verify that the company has experience with window replacements in Tampa's climate. Not considering WA or local building codes. Many Tampa neighborhoods have homeowners associations, HOAs, with strict guidelines regarding window styles and materials. Additionally, local building codes require homes in hurricane-prone areas to have impact-resistant windows. What to do instead? Before making any purchases, review your HOA's guidelines and Tampa's building codes to ensure compliance. Consult with your contractor to ensure the windows you choose meet all legal requirements and avoid potential fines or the need for costly replacements. Focusing only on price instead of value. While budget is an important factor, choosing the cheapest option without considering long-term benefits can lead to problems. Low-cost windows may have poor insulation, shorter lifespans, and inadequate warranties. What to do instead? Instead of focusing solely on the price, consider the overall value, including energy efficiency, durability, and warranty coverage. Quality windows may have a higher upfront cost but will save you money on energy bills and maintenance in the long run. Conclusion. Replacing windows in Tampa requires careful planning and informed decisions. By avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the wrong windows, ignoring energy efficiency, hiring an unqualified contractor, neglecting local codes, and prioritizing cost over value, you can ensure a smooth and successful window replacement project. Invest in high-quality, energy-efficient windows and work with experienced professionals to enjoy a comfortable, secure, and beautiful home for years to come. If you're considering replacing your windows, Contact a reputable Tampa window company to get expert advice and quality installation services tailored to your needs.